What a wonderful. Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. The reason why I'm laughing is because there's someone next to me, and it's always kind of different when you have to pull out the camera and you're with someone. I mean, I think they feel it for you that you're talking to a camera, even though to me it's like, what's up my people? Anyway, I'm waiting for the rest of the group to come so we can go to a food festival. So there's a place called Numazu and it's famous for its seafood because it's nice, it's fresh, it's like a touristy location. You can just imagine the delicious seafood that's gonna be there. I love seafood if you didn't already know. There's a free shuttle bus from the station to the festival and we're going to take that. So I'll start recording again when we get there or when we would link up with the rest of the group. So bye. Goodness! I found a tea tobacco vending machine, so you can get cigarettes in a vending machine in Japan, and they have the tobacco thing but for tea. It's not real tobacco, but they have it in the tobacco container. Let me show you. And they show you how you're supposed to do it and the types of teas that they have. That's so cool. This is green tea, organic matcha, organic brown rice tea, roasted green tea, benfuku green tea. Ooh, which one has the cutest box though? Because that's what I'm looking at. I think the one with Mount Fuji is cute. This one, it is funny. Wow, okay, I'm gonna get one. Okay, I'm looking for 500 yen. Wait, chottomate.
Oh shit.
The 500 yen one. Okay, so I'm putting in my money. And I'm gonna get this one. It's from Shizuoka. Okay, now return money. Okay. Okay, let's look inside. Oh, they should have made it look like the actual cigarette. Alright, this is anticlimactic. This is how it looks. It's in a packet. Oh, it's icy. Oh, the bus is full to the brim. It's oh yeah, the rest of the crew came and she's wearing green too. So we all have elements of green by accident. So yeah.
It's fall.
Did you eat breakfast?
I had porridge. That's all I had. I wanted to keep my stomach empty now to eat something.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I hope they don't have too much seafood.
What? That's
Shellfish.
the best part.
I
You're
can't
allergic?
eat it, yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm sorry I can't eat sea garbage collectors.
Say what you want to say. That is delicious. I don't think... Then again, people are talking on the bus. It's full. I mean, anyway, we'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. We're here. I wonder if it's like just trying out the restaurants or if they have vendors on the street.
I want street food.
Yeah, me too.
Like orange juice. Orange juice.
Because these are the regular restaurants in Numazu Port.
I smell shellfish.
Delicious.
Maybe they have a this
Cute little sticker. Where do I stick it? On my forehead? On your bag? I'm gonna stick it on my jumper. Oh, these are the different spots they have then. Step 1. Step 1 is 1 to 34. So what's... So you have to try all of them? Oh, well, they have tickets actually. Oh, you can leave a review or something. Oh. Okay, so these are all the different booths. That looks good. I want to get this, but look how crazy the line is. I think it might be a 20-minute wait, so it's like black rice with seafood on top. I'm trying to figure out, is it squid ink? This is what I'm waiting in line for. Okay, I just checked the meaning and it is squid ink. It's a squid ink paella. So yeah, I'm excited to taste it. Just because of the squid ink, because I wonder how that's gonna make it taste.
大丈夫なの？
Okay, this is it. I'm gonna eat it. I can't record myself right now. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Itadakimasu. And they have mayonnaise on top.
This just feels awkward.
Why? It is good. Oh, she got the food. I'm gonna eat too.
Jamboree Mickey, Jamboree Mickey, Jamboree Mickey, Jamboree Zoo, Zoo, Jamboree, 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 Jamboree Zoo, Zoo,僕らのクラブのリーダーはミッキーマウス、ミッキーマウス、ミッキー、ミッキーマウスね。強くて明るい元気者ミッキーマウス、ミッキーマウス、ミッキー、ミッキーマウス。ハラハラハラハラハラハラハラ
Okay, we got some fish dumplings. This was my least favorite thing, and it's just because of the texture. I don't really like cornstarch type sauces, so yeah. So Numazu Port is actually popular for its pudding as well, and we saw a pudding vending machine, so she decided to get some pudding. Oh, the sun is so hot. It came up?
I don't know. I just pressed. Oh yeah, it came out. Okay, where's my change?
And your spoon.
Okay.
Did you get your change?
2名様ご注文して承ります。アワビバターは一個でよろしいでしょうか。はい、どうぞ。
浜焼きは一つからご注文を承ります。
Some freshly squeezed juice. So we're just standing up here in this barrel, waiting for our food. Oh, sorry.
That's alright.
Amounts of fish.
Fish? Oh, that's so cool. Are you gonna try? Oh, I thought you were gonna try.
I don't know what to do with that much amount of fish.
That's kind of cool. But where do you collect the fish from?
You get yourself some beers.
So it's just a seafood themed arcade.
Yep. If you want a pickering with the fish.
Oh, a sea cockroach.
Yeah, the.
Oh, we should take one. Let's take a purikuda.
Oh my gosh, my skin is so clear. My skin is so clear.
Trying the claw machine.
You're going down.
Yes. Which one do you want?
I can't let it hear me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, the pictures are done. Wait, we pop. This is so cute.
Well, they also have they gave a surprise video of like us in the middle of setting up for stuff for the photos. They're like, here's an extra. So when you scan the QR,
You just.
So this button.
Yeah, you can only move it one time, I think. So first you have to move it across, then you have to move it up.
And then I think where it stops.
Oh, okay.
Fighto. You could only, you have to hold it down. Oh, I didn't know. Wants the fish.
are you gonna get the rock? Give me some rock. We got 2 rocks.
So my friend keeps telling me I need to do a video on the McDonald's Japan menu. Is that something that y'all would want to see?